Infinite Supreme Peace, Ma's Divine Message for July 5th, 2025. To the world's server children who uplift the world through self-effort, Ma sends deep remembrance, love and greetings. The meaning of Param 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 Mahashanti. Bapuji has given the sacred mantra of Supreme, Supreme, Supreme Peace. What does it mean? Like the depths of an ocean are calm and still. True peace lies in deep inner silence. The more you rise spiritually beyond the physical world, the deeper the divine magnetic peace becomes. The supreme abode is not just peaceful, but is filled with limitless, magnetic, radiant silence. When we are stabilized in soul conscious state before the Supreme Father, rays of divine peace automatically radiate from our being. Even a few seconds of such radiation is a treasure. This is your true earning as spiritual children. So become a guide for weaker souls. Be strong and help weaker souls come closer to the Supreme through your powers and virtues, stabilizing in your angelic form and spread vibrations of peace and courage. Many souls wish to connect with God now, as suffering has reached its peak, but they feel spiritually weak. You must be the one to give them the second leg of courage, so they can move towards the Supreme Father. This is not a physical fire ceremony, but a divine spiritual yagya. Through yogic fire, souls radiate power, energy, light like a great peace reservoir in the Supreme Ocean. This yagya is established in the subtle world, and all its symbols, pictures, stages, speeches are being created to manifest it physically. But the real speech is silence. The real drama is played by souls in angelic forms, radiating light and might. Become the bestower form. You must now take up the role of the bestowers of blessings, the service of creating a mass awakening, the final stage of tireless service with unity, and the slogan, one strength, one faith. The combined thought and effort of all spiritual souls will bring about the completion of this divine mission. So visualize light and peace. Let your surroundings be filled with supreme light, spreading in all directions. Let only peace be seen, peace within, peace around, and peace radiating from your being. This is the time for deep inner silence and the final act of world transformation. Supreme Peace, Param Shanti.